everyone, it's Hannah here and thanks for coming to my channel. If you're new, well hey, how you doing? My name is Hannah Ali, yeah, like the tattoo. Today will be the truth about these social media ad posts. And yes, it's kind of like, you know, when you see those Sugar Bear hair ads of girls like with the vitamin bottle in their mouth saying, hey, go try the Sugar Bear hairs. Or the waist trainer saying that, you know, they got super fit because of the waist trainer. All of that, this is in correlation with those kind of posts and just like social media ad posts in general. So if you're ready to watch this video, before you do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to click the notification bell button so you're notified on when I post new videos, because I do post new videos every week, but YouTube, you know, wanted to change things up on us like Instagram and get out of that chronological order. But moving on. So aside from my YouTube channel, I'm pretty popping on the IG at the Hannah Ali. So I do post a lot of beauty hack videos, Instagram makeup videos, advice, outfit of the days, makeup pictures. So I do get contacted a lot from brands to do paid ads or posts or Instagram stories. So a lot of them are pretty good about it. A lot of them will be like, hey, we want you to try our product out and give an honest review on it, good or bad, like great. I honestly, like, if I'm gonna promote something on my Instagram, so good or bad, I will post about it because I feel like that's the best way or the best thing to give basically your consumer. You want to see what is actually works and what doesn't. So I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm like your friend here. I'm like, hey girl or hey boy, go buy this or don't go buy this. Wearing pajama pants, okay, my pants. But I have pretty long hair, thick Indian long hair. So a lot of times when I post outfit of the day pictures or just pictures in general with my hair, my full hair length is showing on Instagram, a lot of hair care brands will contact me. Brands that are specifically tailored to hair products will contact me saying, hey, you have beautiful hair, love it if you try this product to help your hair out or whatever it may be. I know even a lot of styling tools and stuff, they'll contact me to try out their products, to give an honest review or no review at all. They just want me to try the product out. So I'm used to that. But this one was just like, it was kind of like, hey, we see you have really long hair and we love it, it's beautiful, but we want you to pretend like you used our product to get that long hair and promote it for us. We don't want a bad review from you. So that's pretty much what this company emailed me. So this is the email I got. Like I said, I'm going to make sure to block out the company name and whoever contacted me because I don't want to put anyone on blast. Some of you may know what this company is, some of you may not. So this is what they sent me. They said, hey, we create chocolate drinkable hair items to get longer, stronger, and thicker hair. We are currently recruiting brand ambassadors for our products, and I was wondering if this would be something that you'd be interested in. We are kind of obsessed with Instagram and love promoting up-and-comers on our feed. So I'd like to know more about how to get started. Let me know how you can get started. I look forward to hearing from you. So when I saw that, I was like, first of all, I don't really believe in all those like hair vitamins. The only one that I do know that I am a little educated in is biotin, and I used to use that, but I stopped using it because biotin helps with the overall hair growth, your arm hair, your facial hair. So when I started getting laser hair removal, they told me to not, if I am taking biotin, stop taking it because it's gonna ruin the whole purpose of laser hair removal. When I got that email, I wasn't really interested, but I just never got around to it because it wasn't my priority. Like, you know how when you just kind of look at something, you're like, oh, okay, I don't really care for it, and you're like, well, I'll respond, but then you never get back to it because you just forget about it. So that's kind of what happened with this email. This is when he or she started messaging me. I kind of got annoying. So one out of 3 other emails that she sent me in the same relation, she was like, hi, just checking in to see if you received our previous email in regards to becoming a ambassador. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions or concerns at all. We would love to work with you. So when I honestly, when I saw it for the second, third time, and it was such a nice, this is honestly a really nice email. It's nothing rude, nothing too, you know, annoying. So I was like, you know what, let me just see, let me just see what it is. Let me see the program, what it is, what it's about. Let me at least give them a chance to try to, you know, see if, you know, just to see what it is. Honestly, at that point, I didn't really know what it was. So I was like, okay, let me give them a chance to see what this is. So then I went on to say, hey, thank you for reaching out to me. Can I have more information regarding how your ambassador program works? Let me just respond to her and give her the time of the day to explain to me what their program is. So she sent me another email saying, hey, thanks for getting back to me. I'm so excited to have you on board. What? have me on board. Okay, so pause. Have me on board. All I said to her was if I can have more information about what the program is, because obviously I don't want to say yes because I don't know what it is. And the first thing she says, hey, thanks for getting back to me. I am so excited to have you on board. Basically, you'll benefit from being our ambassador by totally free products from blank, promotion on our Instagram feed and stories, our repeat ambassadors try new products before anyone, get a discount code for your friends and fam, plus lots of other opportunities. All we ask in return is that you try a product, love it, and scream about it from the rooftops and share lots of fun videos, gifs, and pictures with your followers. Try our product. Okay, when you tell someone try our product, when you say you're telling me to try your product, I'm expecting, oh, try it and let us know how it is, right? That's kind of what you said. No, it's try our product, love it, and scream about it from the rooftops. What? Oh, yes. Yeah, guys, this is not the first time. These are pretty common emails that I get and many other influencers and content creators get. Okay, and then it says, if this sounds up your street, then please take the following steps to get the ball rolling. Before we send anything out, we ask for you to share a photo or GIF on your Instagram page saying something along the lines of, just ordered my blank and I cannot wait for it to arrive. Please ensure you tag blank in the comments, so their Instagram page. So basically what I get from there is that they want me to pretend like I am taking my own money out and buying that product. That's already a little red flag to me. Second step is send me an email including the URL link to the Instagram post to confirm that the first post has been done, and I will send over a very short sign up form so we can get you your blank out to you. The other ladies that I guess have done our ambassadors for they all say, oh my god, like my hair has gotten so long and strong from this product. But when you go from their first, that's like their first and last post that they made about this product, but when you go back way back in their Instagram, they've had that hair way before drinking this product. So it just goes to show you that a lot of people just do it because they're seeing that, hey, we get free products, and they'll promote us on their Instagram, and they have like thousands of followers on their Instagram, and everybody wants to get more followers. So like, oh, I mean, it's not gonna hurt if it gives me a chance to get reposted on a really big brand's Instagram. Why not just do it? It's not gonna hurt you, right? How does that make any sense? Even if they were paying me, I wouldn't do it, because honestly, like, I don't want to get paid for something that I know is not true, that I know did not help me get my hair this long and strong and thick and all these words that they want to use. How does it make any sense? It just upset me, and right when I got these emails and I was looking into it, I was like, I really want to just tell people, like, beware of this company. So then I was like, all right, you know what, let me just get them off my back, because if I don't, it will just keep emailing me again and flooding my email for no reason when I could probably be looking at other emails that are pretty important. So I said, hey, blah, thanks for reaching out to me about this opportunity. However, at the moment it doesn't align with the content I'm creating and sharing with my audience, but thank you again for the consideration. And then after that, I never heard from that person, from that company. They never got back to me about it. They were probably upset and like whatever. I didn't care. I was like, you know what, I don't care if you're upset about it, because I'm not about to sit here and pretend like your product is the one that got me to do this. I don't want to try it anyways. Like, I don't trust those things like that, so no thank you. But alright guys, that is the tea on these social media ad posts. Be careful what you see on Instagram. Yes, it could be really enticing when you see your favorite person or someone you really follow to promote these products, but do remember, it may not be with bad intention, but people do need to make their coin, they do need to make their living. But just really make sure you do your research. As a consumer, it is your responsibility to make sure you're researching everything before you go and buy it. That's pretty much all I want to talk about in this video, and I know a lot of you are gonna figure out who the company is. Please, if you do find out who it is, don't bash them, don't do any of that. I'm not really trying to spread any hate about them. I'm just trying to bring awareness. I know so many people have already, and a lot of you already know about this, but some of you still don't know. So I just want you guys to really be cautious of what you buy, what you try. But alright guys, other than that, make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye guys.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between